Having upset Australia on match day one, Bahrain then produced a flat performance on home turf in a 5-0 loss against Japan. Dragan Talayic's team have a second chance to impress at home. Arabia and Australia unbeaten. Indonesia have high hopes of the first win in Group C this time out. The Maroons line this one up quite some distance out for Bahrain. He goes direct. Did that cross the line? It will run towards the near post. Seven added minutes at the end of the first half. The cross from Jeddah is fallen nicely for Adbando. Indonesia sweeping the leveller. They're back on terms just before the break here. Jeddah's cross looped up into the box. The defenders didn't know what to do with it. That'll be a free kick. Advantage given. Conhey gets it to Rafael Strauch. Strauch scores for Indonesia. They are in front, having trailed in the first half. And how about that for a finish? Rafael Strauch picked his spot at the back post. Bahrain have thrown everything at this. It's headed on and it's tucked in. Mahoun is there to spare Bahrain's blushes in the 99th minute.
Hello, my beloved audience. Here I am Damaraditya with student ID number 64240190. I want to discuss the Indonesia versus Bahrain soccer match in the past. And honestly, I was disappointed to see the match. There were so many incidents that should be said to all. Our favorite team was cheated by the opposition. They unsported by the reference from Oman. Violations were often committed by the Bahrain team, but the references made not to see the action of the opposing team. Surely, many are asking why the referee was like that, unaware, and even the most viral so far marks the match. The match team quits long which should have been at the 90 minutes, only an additional 6 minutes, which was stopped in the 99th minute. What's wrong with the referee? 3. If the referee stopped rig on time, 96 minutes each would have been a goal. Indonesia should have won with score of 2-1 because the reference actions the should be said to be cheating ended in a 2-2 and draw.
Bahrain have thrown everything at this. It's headed on and it's tucked in. Mahoun is there to spare Bahrain's blushes in the 99th minute.
There are so many protests made by the Indonesia people and even supported by people abroad. Are you that afraid of the Indonesia national team to the point of having to get support from the referee? Is the referee paid by Bahrain of because there are people who have get influence? Referee, because you did a cheating action, you finally realized video the Indonesia people are so your Instagram account was closed. Not only the referee, the Indonesia people also get the Bahrain national team's Instagram account unit the comments. Hahaha. Funny so funny. Indonesia will still compete again against Bahrain at our beloved Gelora Bung Karno Stadium on March 26, 2025. 25, 2025. But there was something funny suddenly. The Bahrain national teams made a request for the to and like must to be well must to be must to be held outside Indonesia on the ground of the safety and security of the players. What's wrong, my friend? Don't worry. Don't worry, we won't do anything to threaten your place. There is nothing to be afraid of. There's no war going on in our place. Fortunately, FIFA did not approve the request of the Bahrain national team and will continue at the Gelora Bung Karno Stadium. If the Bahrain national team does not come, it is first beneficial for Indonesia because the national team immediately won with a score of 3-0. Very school brother. Hopefully, in the 2026 World Cup qualifiers, Indonesia can qualify and compete in the World Cup. In that nowhere are in 5 tahun position, but nothing is impossible. We must continue to support our national football team. Keep moving forward, Indonesia football. We are proud of you who have fought against strong countries and even against tired setting. Unwavering spirit with all your blood. We can only say Garuda and my cheese. Garuda, my pride, I am sure today we will win. Long live the Indonesia national team. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.
I think it's finally time to raise the devil. 666 on my jacket. With my brother, he just pulled up and he started slashing. I bring the gun, load the clips, now it's full automatic. The double J finally back with some murderous habits. Bitch, I'm a death dealer. Look at my palms, that's a pentagram. Like cult leaders, how this evil got us in demand. All these pussies scared, yeah, they say we're too dark. They try to paint us as a villain, guess it's time to play the part. Okay.
Hai, simple present. Nama saya Damar Aditya, NIM saya 6424019, kelas saya 64A105. What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the passive. In the present. What is present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentences, after the subject, it will be accompanied by a non-verb which was usually known as an auxiliary verb or to be auxiliary verb. What is the simple present tense formula? What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb. One is or is plus complement for positive tense with verbal patterns if the pattern is nominal. The present tense formula with subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How do you make simple present tense sentences? The following is a simple present tense formula that you can use. Negative subject, positive subject, plus to be plus complement. Sedangkan negatif subjek plus to be not plus complement. Dan tanda tanya subjek, tanda tanya sama dengan to be plus subjek plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal tense patterns plus I am an international school student, I am student. Sedangkan yang negatif, she is not an international school student, atau she is not student, atau she is not a student. Sedangkan tanda tanya, is she an international student, is she an international school student sama dengan is her, as is he a student. Verbal simple present tense. Of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is kalimat positif subjek plus verb plus si plus esi plus complement. Sedangkan negatif subjek plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Tanda tanya do or does plus subjek plus verb 1 plus complement. Sesuai dengan pembahasan sebelumnya, pada kalimat verbal kamu tidak perlu menambahkan to be setelah subjek karena yang bertugas menjadi predikat adalah verb. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Positive or affirmative simple present tense sama seperti nominal. Kalimat verbal pun tentu memiliki bentuk positif seperti yang sudah kita bahas di awal. Contoh kalimat simple present tense yaitu I live in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Dan he live in Jakarta. Dia. He lives in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Negative simple present tense. Nah, khusus untuk bagian kalimat negatif dan kalimatnya menggunakan do or does atau don'ts dan does, not does and contoh, I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. Dan contohnya satu lagi, she does live in Bandung. Dia tinggal di Bandung. Seperti itu. Characteristic of simple present tenses. Setelah merangkup penjelasan sebelumnya, berikut ini beberapa ciri present tense. Yang satu, menggunakan kata kerja atau verb dalam bentuk dasar infinitif atau kata kerja tak beraturan yang telah dikenal. Contoh, I play soccer every weekend. Atau play adalah kata kerja dalam bentuk dasar. Yang kedua, memakai kata bantu atau auxiliary verb yaitu do, atau dues untuk kalimat verbal dalam bentuk negatif dan interrogatif. Contoh, si does the edge met. Does ti sama dengan does no kata. Bantu dalam bentuk negatif untuk subjek seperti si. Function and use of simple present tense. Express feelings and emotions, mengekspresikan emosi dan perasaan. Kamu lagi sedih, atau mungkin kamu lagi mikirin sesuatu. Jangan ragu, kamu bisa mengekspresikannya melalui kalimat seperti present tense. Contoh kalimat present tense yaitu feelings, I am sad to hear your bad news. Aku sedih mendengar berita burukmu. Atau emotions, I always thank you, atau I always thankful because have a great best friend. Aku selalu bersyukur karena memiliki sahabat yang baik. Seperti itu. Kurang lebih, mohon maaf ya. Function and use of simple present tense. Command or instruction, memberi perintah atau instruksi. Draw, partner, or use fingerprint to unlock. Gambar pola atau gunakan sidik jari untuk membuka kunci. Pour the juice into the cup. Tuangkan jus ke dalam cangkir. Seperti itulah. Explanation simple present tense. Kalimat positif. Yang pertama, she wants to be a doctor. Yang kedua, Charles at Grace. Yang ketiga, they speak English at the office. Yang keempat, Helix bananas. Yang kelima, they play basketball every morning. Explanation simple present tense. Kalimat negatif yaitu the don't have any money. Lala does the better in the class. Itu my best friend does love you. Yang keempat, you don't listen to me. Yang kelima, California is not in United Kingdom. Explanation simple present tense. Kalimat interrogatif atau kalimat tanya, yaitu do they talk a lot, dan does he play tennis, dan does your partner drink coffee. Terus yang keempat, where does she live? Yang kelima yaitu does he read the motor tree. Explanation simple present tense, verbal simple present tense. Simple present tense, kalimat positif atau plus. I like pizza. She like pizza. We watch a movie every night. Atau he watches a movie every night. She plus V1 atau she or AC. Penambahan she or AC digunakan pada subjek pronoun he atau she, it. Contoh dialog berikut. Linda. Hi, my name is Linda. What is your name? Arjuna. Halo Linda, I am Arjuna. Sedangkan Linda, do you live in here? Kata Arjuna, yes, I don't. I am your neighbor. Kata Linda, oh, where is your house? Arjuna menjawab, I live in block 3. My house number is 45. Linda, do you live with your friends? Dijawab oleh Arjuna, yes, I am live with my friends. How about you? Katanya. Arjuna, I have a sister but she lives in Jakarta for study. Linda, that's good. I and the next horse likes to play together in the field every afternoon. You can join us. I think you want. Arjuna menjawab, your